There you go. Man, that boy look good. Make him turn this way. Oh, hold it right there. Ooh, wee. That boy look good. A bit pretty. I am. Want to introduce him?
This is Kilo. Hello, Kilo Cocaine.
Hold on. Go. Go.
Female now.
This is Kilo. Hello, Kilo Cocaine. He's a 4-year-old dope Argentino. If you want a stud, this is, don't get better than this. 110 pounds of pure muscle. And he's the best dog in the world. They're smart, intelligent, good to hunt, and good to bite.
How old is he?
4 years old.
4? How much you weigh?
110 pounds.
110?
110, pure muscle.
Pure muscle. What color is he?
There's no fat, all white. This is all muscle right here. You don't get a chest like this on a pit.
No, this is the pits and bulldogs, but that's the real deal right there. Dogo Argentina. What do you feed him?
Little secret. You know, don't want
I mean, dry food, you know, don't give it away. Local, just good nutrients, that's what it is.
high protein, high vitamin.
All right, that's what we talk about.
And a lot of exercise.
A lot of
I
exercise.
run most of you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Ain't no running away from Kilo.
Yeah, Kilo. All white Dogo. Child at heart. Or the beast in the street.
You know it.
Yes,
Get
sir.
your family better than you.
Walk him over here. Close. Ah, boy, look good. Eye to eye.
They use them to hunt wild boars. Half of y'all can't shoot a wild boar.
Too bad. It's beautiful, man. That's good. Yeah.